This video is a demonstration of adding Desmos activities to your teams for your students. So first we'll start by logging into Desmos. Well, before you log in, let's actually go to the site. So we're going to type in teacher.desmos.com in your address bar right at the top. Again, that is teacher.desmos.com. Once you type that in, your site should, or your page should look like mine. We're going to sign in. When you sign in, make sure you sign in with your district email. It is imperative that you use your district email so you have access to CPM. So once you sign in, you will have a couple options on the left. We want to go to collections under your activities. At this point, you should have added in your collections. If you have not added in your collections, then you want to go back and do that. And there's another video for that. So notice I have Algebra 1, Algebra 2, Algebra Lab. These are all my collections. You may not have as many. So let's go ahead and go with Algebra 1. So I'm going to click on the class. I've already assigned this first lesson, so let's go to lesson 2. I'm going to click on lesson 2. And over towards the right, there's a button that says assign. I'm going to go ahead and assign this. And this is a list of my classes. So let's say I want to assign it to my test class number 3. Let's just say that's third hour. And now the assignment is here. That's how you assign the activity to your students. If you want to have your students log into the class, if they haven't been able to log in and see the activity, you're going to go to Manage Classes. And from Manage Class, remember we were test class 3. I'm going to click on this class code. And now I have a link that I can copy and I can give to my students. So once I've copied the link, I'm going to go down to my Microsoft Teams and I'm going to go to a chat, the chat that I have with my students. And then I'm going to copy and paste. I can hit Control V and there is the activity, and then you want to send it. So again, just a quick recap. If I want to add an assignment to my class, we go to Collections. You find the class that you would like, that you're adding the activity to. Let's go to the activity, and then you assign that activity to whichever class it is you want to assign it to. And then you are done.